Hey everyone, welcome to my bedroom. And there's a sentence I didn't think I would ever say on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a video projector just in time for the England game tonight. It's the World Cup 2026 and England, I think, are playing DR Congo tonight. And by the time this video comes out, we'll know the results. I'll either be happy or sad. But I'm going to set this video projector up here. It's been sent to me by a company called PUTRIMS. Anywho, it's a budget video projector, but apparently it can do loads of cool stuff. So I'm going to see if I can place this up there, and I'm going to play it on this. All right, let's unbox it. Okay, right then. So this is it, the video projector. Haven't looked at it, haven't unboxed it, haven't done anything like that. I haven't sneakily taken a look and a play and then put it back. This is a first look at what's going on in here, and I won't labour too long on the unboxing. I just thought it'd be interesting to unbox this with you and give you my first feelings about it. Okay, so we'll put that down there. It does have a little bit of weight to it, which gives me confidence. Right, nothing else in the box there. But we get some accessories in here. We get okay, so some cleaning stuff, quick start guide, which I will look at that at some point, but I want to see how easy this is to get started without needing to kind of take a look at that, because the whole point of this is it's very consumer friendly, and most people will be able to just plug it in, point it at a wall, and it works. And in my case, pointing at the big screen that I've got in my bedroom. I did used to have another projector in here, one of those cylinder can, Coke can style ones. I won't say the name because this company sent me this, so I don't want you to point you in another direction of another place. But I did have that up there above my bed, and we used to enjoy watching various things on the big screen there. So that's why I have a big screen there. I didn't install it just for this video. Power cable, and then in here we've got a HDMI, but I shouldn't need to use this HDMI cable because all the services you could ever need are on the projector itself. So I mean, looking at this remote control here, you can see we've got what, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney, and obviously Google. So you got everything that you could ever want, really. Hope I can watch live TV on this somehow. Yeah, must be able to. It'll be one of the apps on Google. Anyway, let's open this and see what it looks like. It looks pretty smart. I like it. Oh, there we go. I will put the price up on the screen, but I think this is like it is a budget projector, so we're probably looking at about 250 quid, something like that. But whatever the price on the screen, we'll put it on there. Look at that. It's got a nice little kind of handle there for you to cart it around. So if you've got a screen outside, you could take it outside. And what we got on the back, USB-C, it looks like an audio out, HDMI, what have you. This has got built-in speakers as well, so Bluetooth, so you can even use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Autofocus, it says here, full 1080p. I think it does something fancy with AI as well to really make the picture pop. It goes all the way, points all the way up. In fact, it goes all the way around. If you wanted to put it from your ceiling, you can an attachment there as well, but actually I'm going to put it up here. So before I do anything else, let's just pop it up here and see if it actually fits. Otherwise my whole plan has gone to pot for now. And there we are, but obviously it does seem to fit, but I need to keep some room for the cable, whereas I can go forward quite a bit, and that will indeed project onto my screen. Awesome. Well, let's get it plugged in and see what it brings up, and I will close the curtains. Okay, one thing I had to do was get a power extension cable because this cable isn't that long. There we go. So we're on, unpop that. And actually it does still go quite far back, so it does fit nicely in there. Okay, you probably can't see anything right now. I'm going to find the power button and turn it on. So in theory, this should correct itself. There we go, it's gone into focus. Oh, that's clever, isn't it? Autofocus complete. Now it's not kind of corrected itself in terms of fitting on the end of the screen, so it does look a little bit wonky, but that might just be me. Let me try and move it that way. That's not too bad, is it? Oh, hang on, what, I didn't see that. That was too quick. What was that? So English, United Kingdom. I'll put all these in, you don't have to see all this. Right, we're in. TV stick is powered by Android TV. It thinks it's a TV stick, okay. Get out from Google Play, yep. Talk, yep. Well, apart from that overly long login with Google, and that makes sense because I have a stupidly long password for Google, this has been really easy to get in. I'm going to have to sign into all these other things as well, aren't I? Let me sign into Netflix, see how that works, see how it looks. I'm going to just close my window a little bit more, close off some of the light around with it. Oh my goodness, that was loud. Wow. Okay. Okay. I'll turn the sound off actually. That would be sensible. Let's turn the sound off. Well, I think that picture is pretty darn good. It's a bit grainy with that cubby because of the age of what I've just chosen to watch. Let me pick something that's a bit more modern. This movie, Apex. Haven't watched this yet. Let's play. But this, I think, what is this screen? This screen's about, I'm going to get my tape measure and just measure my screen. Whoa. I've just come back with my tape measure. I'm loving that. So from corner to corner, let's just, so about 100 inches. Apparently this thing has what they call short throw projections. It basically means you can put it quite close to the screen. But this is filling this wonderfully. Get back on my bed and have a look at that. Let me see whether you can still watch it with a lot of light coming on. No, that disappears straight away. But, you know, this isn't a usual way of watching a movie. You're gonna, I mean, look, as soon as you just get rid of the light, that looks awesome. Anyway, don't want to watch too much of that, otherwise I won't enjoy it. But that's fantastic. Let's go back home. Let's try YouTube. Hey, since we're watching football, let's see what the football highlights from ITV looks. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, it doesn't look as crisp as, say, the movie did, but that's more than adequate. Okay, here's one of my videos. Ooh, shiny. Again, hey everyone, Mark from the Spark here. Thank you for tapping play. This is a Kickstarter. I don't know how you're finding that, but that's the sound. Project that I backed a number of months ago now, and it's a bunch of cables. How loud does it go? Up to 240 watts of charging speed and 10 gigabits. Right, well, I don't think the sound is going to be an issue. That was properly loud. Okay, I just turned on my bedroom light for the moment. So we've got an issue. Out of the box, I can't download BBC iPlayer or ITVX, and the game tonight has been shown on the BBC. Leave this with me for a few moments. Okay, problem solved, I think. So I downloaded the iPlayer on my iPad here. I downloaded the Google Home app. I don't know whether I needed that, but I downloaded that, gave it all permissions, and then I reopened iPlayer. And when I reopened iPlayer, a choice came up that said, do you want to allow to find devices on network? So I did. And as soon as I did that, when I tapped watch live, rather than just having the Apple iPlayer symbol there, it had the casting symbol. It found the projector as a TV stick. And then lo and behold, it started casting on here. So yes, even though you can't get iPlayer and ITVX, and if you're in the UK, that's important. You can watch those programs streaming from a Mac or a Windows computer, or in my case, an iPad. So as you can see, it works. And again, I'm more than happy with that picture. I think that is superb. There's no blurring at the edges. The color recreation seems pretty good. I could turn it up to slightly higher brightness. Yeah, I can tell with this it's not 4K, but it doesn't matter that much. What it does mean is that I'll be able to watch the footy tonight, which is awesome. Right, okay, let me just give you my final thoughts. So I thought I would do my final thoughts next to this thing. This projector here is terrifically easy to set. What am I looking? Terrifically easy to set. That's a bit distracting for you, isn't it? It's really easy to set up. The way that it just found the screen and was able to kind of correct itself in terms of what they call keystoning, which is fitting into the pace that you wanted to put it on, was really good, and the focus almost instantaneous, depending on what you're watching. So, for example, the movie's on Amazon. There, the Apex, was it Amazon Apex? That movie looked terrific. So I've got no complaints. I think for everybody who just wants a cheaper end projector, I think this will fit the bill immensely. Yeah, the downside is about ITVX and BBC iPlayer, and there might be an app out there in which I can stream TV. I don't know. I'm not looking into it too much. The whole point of this projector is to enable you to set it up quick and to get going, and for all the services, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and etc., really easy. Just get cracking and get watching. But if you want to watch those other streaming services, you're gonna have to go through the casting thing onto the box. But once you've done that, that's not too much an issue as well. Anyway, I think I might be able to get a discount for this thing. I will contact PUTRIMS or PUTRIMS and see if they can get one, and use the link in the description below and in the comments as well. I'll pin a comment that if you fancy getting your hand on one before too much more of the World Cup tournament goes on, or just to be able to laze in your bedroom and watch TV on your wall. Yeah, there we are. Okay, YouTube thinks that you'll like to watch this video next, so why don't you go ahead and do that. But before you do click off, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And if you really did like the video and you want to support the channel, you can go buy me a digital coffee. Just scan that QR code there or tap the link in the description. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Come on, England.